Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we will show you some of our range of universal vent hoses suitable for tumble dryers and cooker hoods. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure it is first disconnected from the mains. They are available in different diameters of 76.2mm or 3 inches to 127mm or 5 inches. To use one of these hoses, you must have the correct fitting on your machine. This can be transferred from your old hose or ordered separately from our site. If we examine the old hose on this machine, you can see it has been damaged, reducing airflow and punctured, allowing moist air to leak that could cause damp. Simply remove your old hose, then carefully fit over or screw on the adapter before refitting onto your appliance. These hoses are of a similar quality to most original hoses and can offer great savings to the original supplied with the machine. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.